Yeah, man, so as me I tell you right now, say, oh, every man have their own law and their own rule of their place, you see me? And I tell a man, say, oh, as me I tell you yesterday in every day, say, you see, if you don't come from farm, you not try if you can change them things. I not try if you get taming with them, because white man can't tame in. There is a set of people that we can't tame in. And you have some boss, they will definitely rate you, you know. As a black man, and you have some, I just say energy they love. That's the strength where you can give them, and hit them rate you over. So, me I try to tell him, man, me I try to teach him like sense. It's when a company farm up, or you not come there and kill yourself or try to prove yourself to get good name or if you are going like on a hero. Because if a hero dead, and you have to save yourself, yeah, so. So, yes, when you drop at them place, yeah, so, and you see your man, them show you certain things, you know, if you just listen and learn how to fix on leather. Because if you not drop off a leather and broke up, you know, and if you no damage your body away, one can't get to come back. Just knowing on your head, say, if you no dead or if you no damage your body, you can't come back. Just knowing on your head, say, boss, now go holla. All him go do, I just email the ministry, the Jamaica. Our next man I go come in now, no space. I wonder if you know hear me just say. And next man I go come in now, no space. Go walk in now, no space. That means you don't know if you come here and kill yourself and prove on yourself. All when the boss tell you say, and you want to know if you use your 2 hands and pick you up. You see if you no climb and tree and the tree tall. Don't turn up on the down but no 2 hands pick now. Take 1 hand hold and pan wall him up there and use 1 hand picky. The boss free for chat, you know. But for him place him free for chat. You can't tap him for chat and he can chat anything where him can chat. Anything where he want chat, he can chat. He free for chat. But not because him a go tell you say I no 2 hands no fi use. Or that he employ no fi do fi use no 2 hands. He free fi say anything he want say. But remember me tell you, if you know dey up and want to actually use 1 hand hold on up there one and pick you up, don't prove yourself. And kill yourself if you play no hero. When you come here, you go work hard, you know, but you know, go kill yourself. You go work hard to get your request. Because you go want to come back. And every year you come, you go work hard. Every year you come, you work harder and harder every year. But don't kill yourself, you have to save yourself. Safety come first, you have to protect yourself. Because farm work is a little college, you know. Each day you wake up, you learn from both the white, you learn from both the black round your way and them come here. It's a college, you can't fool when you come in them place. You understand what I say? You can't fool. And you have some really idiot there. As me I tell you, you see the killing them teeth everything. Then see all the boss I walk and them I tell all the boss man in them put on big smile. For what? And when they go down when they see one man, they can't smile and call to you, man. Me no smile when me call to people, man. If me feel like call to people, me no laugh with people, you see me. Yeah, son. So, me just trying to say every man have their own rule and their own law because you know say me book up on some youth last year, me and go buy some food and the man them tell me say they not even have $5 they in camp. And me I say in them time on no internet. Oh no, say how them the boss they are going with. Me not even see them the youth there again. Me don't know if they get internet by now. And the man tell me say they can't smoke up at them camp. Me I say a lie on that tell. You see this camp for me there? After you done work and you come in, you can burn your weed or your crave nail and drink your liquor, you know. All junk too. But just make sure so you wake up for work in the morning. Enough time me junk too, you know. Right, that Sunday night gone, me junk. Me dey pan live and me all drop asleep. Me say me junk, me say me about me dinner in my hand and eat and even remember say food in my hand. Food in my hand, cause me junk. Working a joke. I'm not trying to say everywhere different. But at least a man can come in and draw the look weed. So some camp you can't do it. And you can't grow on the boss thing. I what him say, so you go. But I show you say, the company program, man, don't play no here and kill off yourself. If you not run one machine and you know say the machine if you lock off before you do certain things, pan it lock you off. That will kill you now. That come in see one harvester being jaw one brother there and being broke in neck, kill him. And you have to save yourself, protect yourself. Remember your one come here, you know. And your one in your passport, you know. So you have to save yourself, you go back home to your family. You understand what I say? Just so things set up. I just know, say, for my me fire truck, you know, I don't know so much fire light up here nowadays. The two more come there. Although I can accident still. I'm just showing you, say, I say things set, man. Just do the right thing. And no fast with nothing, no fast with. When you drop a one camp, when you no talk certain things. You can't trust no man, we care about your name. You understand me? You have to know your friend and know what come out of your mouth, know where you talk. You get me? And just do the right thing, you no fast with nothing. You no run up your mouth too much. You get me, I say? And as long as you do the right thing, you can work with them if you choose to work with them as long as ever. But it's a funny people, them. Simple thing you do, you know, they frowns overhit. And you see when them becks overhit, they not come to you and tell you, you know, they not front you and tell you, you know. And the boss will know, say, he not take you back next year and he not tell you. He laugh with you and talk with you. But in a deep and in your heart, he knows say he done with you. And you see when the bus come for you go to Toronto, for catch your flight, for go to Jamaica, he might come in at the bus and he might say to you, say, alright guys, me thank you all for come. Have a safe flight. Take care of yourself in a Jamaica. Be safe in a Jamaica. And he might go tell you, say, I hope to see you all next year. The time he know in his head, say him not take you back next year. And at that he might come in a bus come say. And when you die your yard now, you sit down and wait for a phone call for go medical. Yeah man, your phone go ring, turn data go ring. So as one piece of people then when you can't team in with, you have to just understand yourself. You understand me? Just understand yourself. You see certain little behavior, you know, but I come here with it from Jamaica. Just know say no little picky in there, you're over 18. That means you know little picky. Just do the right thing. Tell me and tell you know man. Me there and say a place run, you know. Oh. So no boy can come to me comment and tell me no. Me there so I see how them places run. Them places are like college. If you dare get up you learn. Pear sweet man and sugar man. I can't carry hamburger and carry home some. Tomorrow. Friday. Maybe Saturday evening me come for some. No, I must still easy if you get Clyde into me now. I submit and with them. Bite them and dash them way. Yeah man, so as I things that man, see you look a bicycle and all I who say me can't ride bicycle. Lie, I'm not tell. Right now me I jump on in now and dash it down in the road this now. Yes, nice little sunshine. Must be about soon 7 o'clock you know and the time still bright up here. 1 hour ahead down now. Things set here man. I don't know if I'm going to end up again, you know. Find somewhere end up again. A long time I'm going to go watch the woman there catch fish down the road too. I might end up doing this in the evening here too. I'm out still.